Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please join me as I take on the challenge of experiencing every magical moment Iceland has to offer this summer. Iceland in the summer is a dream come true. Imagine witnessing breathtaking landscapes, unique adventures, and making unforgettable memories under the midnight sun. The land of fire and ice transformed into a vibrant paradise, offering a mix of thrilling outdoor activities and serene natural beauty. From cascading waterfalls to stunning black sand beaches, every moment here feels like a scene from a fantasy movie. Some people think Iceland is only a winter destination, perfect for chasing northern lights. While it is true that winter has its magic, summer brings a different kind of enchantment. The belief that Iceland is too expensive also deters many travelers. Yes, it can be pricey, but with some planning, you can have an amazing time without breaking the bank. Affordable accommodations, smart dining choices, and free natural wonders can make your Icelandic adventure more budget friendly. Watch until the end, guys, because I shares the tips on how to travel smarter this summer. Summer in Iceland is all about exploring the great outdoors. The midnight sun provides 24 hours of daylight, allowing you to enjoy activities at any time. The midnight sun is another marvel of summer. Imagine having a golden glow at 11 p.m., allowing you to explore without worrying about time. It's surreal and magical. When it comes to experiences, one stand out witnessing the captivating beauty that Iceland has to offer. Whether it's swimming in the Sky Lagoon, Blue Lagoon, or marveling at breathtaking waterfalls, every moment is pure magic. Summer makes Iceland perfect destination for travelers. The warm weather, stunning landscape, and array of activities create a dream vacation. If you've ever dreamed of visiting Iceland, summer should be at the top of your list. Guys, watch the amazing sceneries I captured that will captivate you to plan and visit Iceland in the near future.